This past winter, I went on a ropes course in Florida. I didn't have any expectations whatsoever. I'd never been on one before. I had no idea what it was about. And it was a very interesting experience. A ropes course, a high ropes course, is a very good metaphor for business. I could not believe it, actually. When you go up in a ropes course, you climb the steps up to a platform, and then there's a rope bridge going over to the next platform on the next tree. You're all strapped in and everything, so everything's perfectly safe. But, you might get a little bit hurt along the way, and a couple of people did on this course get a little bit hurt. But you grab on, and then you start walking across, and you're tipping, and you're going back and forth. And there are problems along the way. How am I going to get from this rung on the rope ladder to this rung when I can't step that far? Or what if one of those rungs gets stuck and it's like way too far? When you're starting a business, everything is wobbly. You don't know which way that you're headed. Nothing is firm. Where's your money going to come from? How am I going to pay this bills? Everything's wobbly. But you start and you keep step by step, you cross it. And when you get to the point where, oops, there's a problem, well, you stop and you think, how am I going to solve this problem? And you do it. And then you keep going. And, oh, I made it to the bridge. Oh, there's another rope ladder on the other side. And it's different from the last one. Oh no, what am I going to do? You go across and you do whatever it takes and you figure out how to get across. This ropes course was so interesting. It taught us about number one was keeping your eye on the goal. The goal was to get to that platform. Don't look back, don't look down. There's no point in either of those things. It's not going to help you. We had other people there. Some people needed help, but not everybody needed help. So keep your mouth shut. Go across the bridge with baby steps. You don't have to take great strides or make a huge leap. Baby steps will get you to your goal. And that's something in business. We're so frustrated that we have to take baby steps. We want it to happen immediately, but it never does. There's more than one way to do things. The way I crossed the bridge was quite different from the way the person behind me crossed it or the person in front of me. It was Florida on the high ropes course, and we got sweaty, but it's hard work. And it wasn't that warm out, but it was hard work and we got sweaty. Of course, we're going to get sweaty, but that's what business is all about. And even though it was hard work, it was fun. We had a blast. All of that to say, being in business is hard work, but it's fun. It's sweaty, but it's fun. Baby steps to get to your goal. Problem solving along the way. Be nice to everybody around you because you might need their help someday to get that last step across the bridge. And keep your eye on the goal. It's halfway through the year, and we're probably starting to feel wobbly. We're starting to look backwards and look down and thinking, oh no, I'm not going to reach the other platform, but I can't go back. What am I going to do? Come to my workshop on Zoom, and we'll make sure that those goals are firmly in place, that you have the baby steps set up, and that you can feel the feeling how good it is to reach the platform in safety. Hope to see you then.